Real quick, let me show you what I did. So let's say you have a whole set of emails that you need to look through and figure out and also like grab the data. But you're thinking to yourself, like, that's just too much work. Like, I have to look through every single email and extract this information and look at it. So, like, as an example, click the link. And then I have to go through every single email and grab the email information and then put it back into a record, right? Put it back into the cell, and so I can have the actual content of this. Well, if you have a whole bunch of records, this is probably in the 500s, that's going to take a ton of time that you could be spent working, time that you could be spending way many different things. So what I actually chose to do is I actually chose to create an automation to do that instead. So this is what I call the link to text extraction automation. And the way that it works is essentially when a Google record goes into Google, it will automatically take the information, go to the link. So I'm using Cloud Convert to do that. Go to the link and actually take a screenshot of the link to capture the website. Now we're using Google Gemini because they are really good in terms of, reviewing photos, images, things like that. And so you have to upload the file into Google Gemini to do this. We got to give it some time to sleep to let it to actually, process and everything like that. And then what's great about Google is that we essentially are taking that PNG, which was the file that was in the link, and we are essentially just extracting the text from the image. So we have the file from here, we're extracting the text from the image. Now, the result of that is that we extracted all the text from that image, and now I don't have to do it. And so it also updates the Google Sheet with all the information. So as you can see, all of the email information is updated in here. Now, what I'm going to do next is have this run. It's actually running every 2 minutes and I don't do anything. So I'm going to go about my day, enjoy my day. I have some great Indian food ahead of awaiting me, but just want to show this really cool automation where you could take any template links, maybe you have a whole bunch of email links, and automatically extract the text without having to go to every individual link. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.